Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola One Zoom, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM to the device. So to get started, let's open up the Contacts app right here. And from the app, you want to tap on the three bars right here and go into the settings. And at the bottom, you'll find the import option. So choose that. It will ask you where you want to import the contacts from. So SIM card, tap on OK. And it will load up all the contacts from the SIM card. Now, as you can see, there's only one contact selected and all of the other ones are grayed out. That's because most of them are already imported, so this is the only contact that is left that I can import that isn't already on the device. So if you can't select any more, that means that they already are imported. So choose whichever one you want, or deselect the ones that you don't want if you have multiple, for instance, that you don't want to copy. And then tap on the check mark right here. You'll get a one SIM contact imported, and you can go back, and now it should be somewhere right here as it is right there. So that is how you would import contacts. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.